How to join the Nike app or how to sign up to the Nike app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can join or sign up to the Nike app or the Nike app. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, all you have to do is you'll have to install the Nike app. Now as you know, you'll be able to get the application on either the Play Store or the App Store depending on which device you are on. Once you download it, you will have to simply open it. Once you open it up, you can see here it's loading up and you'll get an interface like this. Now at the bottom of your screen, you can see two different options, that is join us or sign in. Now if you already have the account before, or if you already have the previous account, you can simply tap on sign in option here and it will redirect you to the login page there, where you'll be able to log into your account by simply entering your email and password. However, if you want to join up, or if you are new to the app, all you have to do is tap on join us option here and it will redirect you to the another website. Here you can see enter your email to join or sign in. You can see you want to simply enter in your email here. Now in my case, I already have an account, but once you type in your email, it should ask you for password and other details, and once you type in those, it will send a confirmation code to your email, and once you confirm the code, you'll be able to join the app and your account will be created. So this way you can join the Nike app or sign into a new account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.